He dreamed of a better life. He dreamed of helping his family. In a small village, where opportunity was scarce, lived a young man named Sokha. He was born into poverty, his family having almost nothing to their name. While other children played, he helped his mother sell herbs at the local market. Each coin earned a small victory, a step towards sending his siblings to school. He knew their future depended on it. At night, while the village slept, Sokha's journey had just begun. Under the soft glow of a flickering lamp, he devoured books. He read about business. He read about self-improvement. He learned about a world that existed far beyond the quiet fields and dirt roads of his home, believing with every fiber of his being that education and perseverance held the power to change a person's destiny. At 20, he left home, hands empty, heart full. He stepped into the bustling, overwhelming city with nothing but the hope he carried within him. The city was a formidable beast. It was harsh and unforgiving. Hunger became a familiar ache in his stomach. Rejection was a constant companion. Doubt whispered in his ear during the lonely nights. He washed dishes in the back of a steamy kitchen. He cleaned streets under the scorching sun. He took any job, no matter how menial, to survive. He did whatever he could to keep his dream from fading. But he never stopped learning, never stopped believing. He kept a solemn promise to himself, a mantra that echoed in his mind, "I will never give up." The city might try to break him, but his spirit was forged in the fires of hardship, and it would not yield. At night, after long hours of physical labor, his true work began. He sought out the faint light of internet cafes, his tired eyes scanning screens as he studied. He immersed himself in the world of entrepreneurship, learning how to create products, how to build a market from nothing, how to turn a simple idea into a thriving enterprise. The digital world became his classroom, the lessons of innovators and leaders his guide. Years passed. The city had tested him, but it had also taught him. With the little money he had saved, Sokha started a small business. A tiny stall on a busy street corner, selling fresh milk. It was a humble beginning, a single drop in an ocean of commerce. He knew it wouldn't be easy. He faced skepticism and fierce competition, but he treated every customer with genuine respect and unwavering honesty. His integrity became his brand. Slowly, that small business grew. One customer became 10. The tiny stall became a small shop. His reputation for quality and kindness spread through the community like wildfire. He founded a company dedicated to natural products, a venture built on the principles he held so dear. He didn't just build a business, he built a family, employing many of the poor and struggling people from his own community, giving them the same chance he had fought so hard to create for himself. Small ideas, fueled by an unbreakable will, became powerful innovations. Years later, he returned home. Not just a billionaire, but a beacon of hope. Today, Sokha is a titan of industry, his name synonymous with success. But his wealth is measured not only in dollars, but in the depth of his heart. He builds schools where children can dream bigger dreams. He funds small hospitals that bring care to those who have none. He helps countless underprivileged children, seeing his own reflection in their hopeful eyes and giving them the opportunities he never had. He had changed his life, and he had changed his community. When a journalist, intrigued by his meteoric rise, asked him, "What is the secret to your success?" Sokha smiled, a gentle expression that held the weight of his entire journey. "I started with nothing," he said softly. "I only had a heart that refused to give up. I believe that kindness and perseverance can create anything.